Good day, everyone. My name is Michael, and in this video, I will be giving you a preview into the class building a data warehouse using Apache Spark and Hive. And the focus of this video actually is to show you the steps to prepare your VM for the class. So in this class, we actually going to be using the Cloudera Quickstart VM with some little modifications. So in this video, I'm showing you how to do those modifications. Now, the Cloudera Quickstart VM comes with a lot of tools that you will find in the Cloudera distribution for Hadoop CDH. These tools they range from the Hadoop User Experience Web Console to Spark to Hive, Cloudera Impala, and just to name a few. However, it does not contain the Scala Runt SDK and runtime. So because in this class we will be building data warehouse using Apache Spark and writing our code in Scala, we felt we should make that modification to the VM by installing Scala and SBT. So that is what we're going to be doing now. So I already have my Cloudera Quickstart VM running on VirtualBox, and I have started it up. And this is what you find once you start the Cloudera Quickstart VM. If you open the terminal, for instance, and type Scala, you will not find that as a command. Neither would you find the SBT tool. SBT actually means Scala Build Tool. So because in this VM we're going to be writing we'll be writing our Scala code, and as well as uh, running it with the build tool. So we want to put it in so that we have everything in one box, right? Also quickly, let me show you another tiny modification I made. This VM, the Cloudera Quickstart VM, doesn't come with Sublime tool, but I had installed mine already, so I have Sublime 3 running in here already. If you are a fan of Sublime, you can quickly add that to the VM, but if not, then you can make use of the text editor that comes with Cloudera Quickstart VM. So I'm gonna show you I'm gonna provide the links where you're gonna get the files we need. So all you need is to open Firefox, then you go to these various links to download Scala and SBT. In this class, we'll be using Scala 2.11.7. The latest version, the latest stable version is 2.11.8, but we intend that everybody uses the same version so that we can have the same experience. So I would request that you download Scala 2.11.8, .7, sorry. That is it. Then for the Scala build tool, you can download Scala SBT 0.13.11. The most current version is 0.13.12. I don't know what the new feature is. What's the new feature in .12? But I would suggest that we all once again stay on the same version so that we have the same experience. Now it turns out that I have already downloaded these tools, and they are in my downloads folder. So if I open that, I can see SBT 0.13.11 and Scala 2.11.7. So all I just want to do now is show you how I am going to copy them to a location, add them to my path variable, and I will be good to use them. So once again, to show you that I don't have Scala in my my command line, and I don't have SBT. So the first thing I want to do is extract this Scala tool, extract the zipped file that I already downloaded, and do the same thing for SBT. Okay, so I've extracted the SBT file and the Scala file. I'm going to copy this file and put them in my in a particular location. I'll put them in OPT. So say move Scala to, and I will also move SBT to. So once I have these two files in the location, the next thing I want to do is now add the files, add the location to my path variable. So when I type Scala in any location or SBT in any location, I'm gonna get a response. So I'm gonna get the executables. So what I'll do is I'll go to my batch profile and I'm going to add them. In this case, you can see that I already did add them, and all I did was path is equal to $path colon, then I put the bin location, I put the executable binary look in the path, and I did that same thing for SBT. So once you have copied exactly this into your .batch underscore profile file, you can say yes, you'll have that file, you have that you have those two downloaded applications right now in your path, and you can start using them right away. Right, okay, so I have moved the files and I can now type Scala, and that is it. I have Scala, then SBT. Now, if you type SBT, the first time you try use it, it's going to take a while because it's going to try to kind of initialize itself on that machine. It will also try to download whatever dependence it needs to really execute and behave properly on the machine. So for the first time, it will really take a while. So don't bother, just leave it, give it time, and it will come around. So that is it. We already have you can see now we already have Scala and SBT, and with these two modifications to Cloudera Quickstart VM, I think you're ready for the class. It's also good to note that if you're not very comfortable with using the default text editor, you can install your choice. It's also possible that you could decide to say no, you instead want to install a Scala IDE so that you are able to do you're able to use a more robust development environment. That would be your choice. But for this class, I think I am comfortable enough with Sublime, and I added the Scala add-on packages to Sublime. So I think I'm comfortable with that. So with this three modifications, I can say you're very ready for the class. So see you in few this time and get ready for Hackaday. Thank you.